Welcome to the Dickinson building.
aka the Sciences Building.
So, this is where we have all our science classes in Bennington. And this is the way to the Dickinson building. So, if we go up the stairs, this door is the main entrance to the Dickinson building. And let's go inside. Here we have classrooms for subjects like maths, chemistry, biology, environmental science, computer. And if we walk down here, we have faculty offices, we have physics labs. This is the IT side of the Dickinson building. And then if we walk down this hallway, we'll see beautiful arts and maps. And then we have the chemistry lab down there. You'll see projects by faculties. And then we have the other entrance of the chemistry lab. We have the restrooms, more projects on the wall, and this area over here is just a little sitting area between classes if you want to take some rest or do studies. This is the place we usually sit and basically study. We have more classrooms and computer science. Faculty room. I will pass the mic to Mohammed, who will show you the downstairs of the Dickinson building.
Alright, now we're gonna go downstairs. Alright, so now we're in the downstairs. There are the physics lab, the biology lab. So here you have the astronomy and physics lab. You have more posters from student work. And right here is the biology lab. This is the biology lab right here. And then right here, you have some of the undergraduate students' research publications. If you ever come, you can pick up and see what students have been working on in the summer or in the winter. And then right here, we're gonna show you the Dickinson reading room, which is a little mini library in the reading room in the Sciences building. And what you have here is all these are classroom books. So professors, if classes require a textbook, they will provide it here. You can come and do your work. The only requirement is you don't take the book. You can just have it here, do your work. There's a little board that I do a lot of math. We have printers, and then we have a little fish tank. So you can come and study here and watch the fish and play with it. Sometimes I trace my fingers and then it usually follows my finger, but it's running away today.
I'm not a science student, but I'm going to introduce my favorite side of Dickinson, which I like to call the Joyce Corner. She's not here right now, but Joyce is her housekeeper, and she's a really nice staff because she bakes for the students, and she's a really big part of our community, so I like to highlight her work in each tour I do and also in this video. So you can see she has a very iconic corner of Dickinson because she has her wall of letters and grateful notes, and this is where she has her baking pastries, and she also has a wall for her favorite students, or rugrats as she likes to call us. I was recently added last term, so if you come to Dickinson, if you're a science student, you'll be added too. Just like Mohammed, it's time for you to be on the wall. And we also have a free pantry where you can get some notebooks or some food supplies. And we also have a pumpkin decorating contest every fall term, and students get a prize. And this is the last contest we had last term, and it's really fun, and I really love participating and getting closer as a community. And we have some of our winners over here and the prizes they got, so that's really cool. This is our ecology and field biology lab and classroom, and these are a couple pictures of works that students have done and a couple field trips. We have really fun classes that change every term. For example, one of the iconic classes we have is the maple sugaring tutorial that happened last year in the spring, and you can learn how to take maple out of the trees on campus, and then at the end of the class you have your own jar of iconic Vermont maple syrup. We also have a farm that's like 10-minute drive from campus, and you get to see some sheep and get to see the work that people off campus do in the community, and it's really, really nice. If we go down the hall, you get to see more student work and some more pictures of field trips. This is some of our students' thesis from this last spring. This is one of our other classrooms. This is another poster, and all of our seniors had their presentations the last week of classes in the spring. And we have a lot of events happening all the time on campus, so this is where we host the events. And this is a little tunnel that will lead us to Tishman Auditorium. This is a fun fact, but Joyce also decorated this part of the building. She made buildings and grounds to bring sofas and a couple chairs for students because they would just study on the floor, and she was like, no. So she created this actual additional space for students to hang out, and this is Tishman Auditorium. So this is where we have visual arts lecture series every Tuesday. We also have guest speakers coming here any time of the term to give a speech. And you can also book this space if you want to have a karaoke night with your friends, or if you want to watch a movie. I remember last year we had a Q&A session with the co-producer and co-director of Flow, the movie that won the Oscar, and it was really cool, and it was a big event. So we have those type of cool events. You can also run your own event, or you can also just come here and study if you want to use this space. One thing I really like about campus is most of our buildings are open 24/7, so it's really accessible for you to go anywhere. And this is all of Dickinson. We have a very nice view over here if you want to check a little bit more. We also have a very nice platform over there that we call the Dickinson platform. I don't know if you can see it from here, but it has a really nice view of Jennings, our music building, and all campus. So yeah, this is Dickinson.
Hope you enjoyed the tour.
Thank you for watching.
And see you on the next video. Bye!